Looking for a compact powerhouse that fits right in your palm but performs like a full desktop? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025, perfect for work, gaming, and everything in between. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover each mini PC's key features, real user reviews, and pros, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Firebat A6. The Firebat A6 mini PC packs serious performance with an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. It comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB PCI SSD, and supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Product reviews. Users love how this mini PC handles 4K video editing, gaming, and productivity without breaking a sweat. Reviewers call it a desktop-grade performer in a tiny body. Pros: AMD Ryzen 7 6800H extremely fast performance. DDR5 memory for next-level speed. Wi-Fi 6 plus BT 5.2 for modern connectivity. Excellent thermal control and quiet operation. Perfect for creators, gamers, and professionals who want desktop-class power in a portable design. Number 2. GMKtec G3. The GMKtec G3 runs on the Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, offering 8GB or 16GB DDR4 RAM and up to 512GB PCI SSD storage. It supports Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 for a future-ready experience. Product reviews. Users say it's super quiet, energy efficient, and fast enough for multitasking and media playback. It's ideal for office work, streaming, and casual use. Pros: latest Intel Alder Lake processor. Ultra efficient and low power consumption. Compact design, silent fan operation. Dual HDMI ports for dual display setup. An excellent mini PC for everyday productivity, students, and home office users looking for reliable performance. Number 3. CHUWI LarkBox X. The CHUWI LarkBox X is powered by Intel's 12th Gen N100 processor with UHD graphics, 12GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. It's designed for smooth performance in a small, stylish package, great for office work, streaming, and lightweight gaming. Product reviews. Reviewers praise its solid build quality, quiet operation, and great multitasking performance for its size. It's one of the most compact mini PCs with solid specs. Pros: excellent power-to-size ratio. Modern Intel 12th Gen processor. Dual HDMI plus DisplayPort support. Sleek and portable design. Perfect for minimalists and professionals who want reliable computing power in a super compact form factor. Number 4. ACEMAGIC Mini PC. The ACEMAGIC Mini PC takes things up a notch with the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB RAM, and 1TB SSD. It's a Windows 11 Pro powerhouse that supports 4K triple display output, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, all with a stylish RGB lit design. Product reviews. Users say this mini PC handles everything from high-end gaming to heavy workloads effortlessly. The triple display support is a major plus for productivity setups. Pros: high-end Ryzen 7 performance. Massive 32GB RAM plus 1TB SSD. Supports triple 4K displays. Stylish RGB design with quiet cooling. A top-tier choice for professionals, gamers, or multitaskers who want ultimate power in a mini desktop form. Number 5. MLLSE G2 Pro. The MLLSE G2 Pro comes equipped with an Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 512GB storage. It runs Windows 11 Pro and supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2, offering smooth everyday performance. Product reviews. Users love its low noise levels, fast boot times, and efficient multitasking for office and entertainment use. Pros: latest Intel N150 CPU. Energy efficient and compact design. LPDDR5 memory for faster data handling. Great value for money. Ideal for home offices, students, or light users who need a reliable mini PC without spending big. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025. From ultra-powerful Ryzen machines to energy-efficient Intel systems, there's something here for every budget and need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below which mini PC you'd pick for your setup. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.